first time when I opened up the Body Spa, I was amazed. It's so beautiful, so sleek, so sexy.
And look at the surface of it. You know, I'm used to the little tiny galvanic, and this is just awesome.
And I was really surprised of just the one button was real easy to use, and I loved how it just moved over my body really quickly. I've been targeting my stomach for the test of the Body Galvanic, and I've seen so much improvement in my stomach.
I can see the big difference all over the side that I'm doing it, and I know if I continue use it, I need to start using on the other side, otherwise I'll start looking like a clown.
Well, I can't believe in less than 4 weeks, you can already see the difference. You can see how much tighter it is.
I've been using the products now for quite a few months, and my skin feels amazing.
It's amazing of all the reactions that I'm getting from all the women around the pool. They want what I have.